Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anita from Sangareddy Budera. I'm going to explain about trademark. Trademark it is a separate chapter in the business law which we have studied in the second year 5th sem. Trademark is a integral component to the modern business. Trademark is a symbol. It is indicates the particular source of goods. Trademark Act is established to prevent the misuse of trademark, which is enacted by the Trade and Merchandise Act 1958. Due to globalization, Trademark Act was replaced earlier 1958 was 1999. All the provisions was came into force on September 15, 2003. Now register of the trademark. The central government was may appoint the such person. The person is called as register, and the central government may also appoint such officers for the purpose of uh, discharging. And now we can see the procedure of registration for the trademark. For procedure of registration we have to follow 6 steps. Those are application for search, application for registration, and the third one is withdrawal of acceptance, and the fourth one is advertisement of application, fifth one is opposition to application, and the sixth one is correction and amendment. Coming to application for search, if the person wants to register, he may goes from the form filling. The form is called as in the form of TM54. After the application of form, he must go through the application for a registration. Application, any single registration may be required for the registration of trademark for any different classes of goods and services. After the application of registration, we may go through the withdrawal of acceptance. After the person, after hearing all the conditions of the trademark procedure, if he decides to withdraw the acceptance, the he may go through the proceed, and if the application has not been accepted. And the fourth one is advertisement of application. After the withdrawal of acceptance, the application was advertised. After completion of advertisement of application, the opposition of registration. If the person wants to oppose the registration, he may go through the opposition in the time of 3 months. The advertisement from the date of advertisement. The last one is the correction and amendment. After the modifying the errors and corrections, at last, after modifying the errors, the registration process has been accepted. According to section 22, the registration has been accepted.